What are the best 7 ways to make $10,000 a month? Let's find out. Way number 1. YouTube channel. Creating a successful YouTube channel can be a challenge, but you can make a decent living through its advertising program for starters. The secret ingredient here though is to carefully choose what kind of content will be shown in your channel. For example, business-related channels are more handsomely rewarded per 1,000 views than vlogging channels. Also, skills like editing, voiceover, transitions, etc. are important as they can be the deciding factor between a good and an excellent video. So, it's really important to have a plan in advance regarding what kind of content you want to create and how you're gonna create it. Of course, you can outsource the above, but it's not advised at the beginning of your channel as you won't have a well-established channel and you won't have the necessary income from YouTube alone to support the outsourcing. While a YouTube channel can be a good standalone source of income, you can maximize your gains by combining it with the other side hustles we will mention. For example, many YouTubers do affiliate marketing and use affiliate links in their videos descriptions for the services or products that they are promoting. If you are into online coaching, you could use YouTube to promote the quality of your skills and attract more customers than before. So, be sure to check out the following side hustles for more. The reason why YouTube channel can be so versatile and effective is that YouTube is the second most used search engine on the internet, with Google being the first, and because in 2023 it has over 2.5 billion monthly active users, which means it is practically impossible for your content not to find an audience. YouTube can be done with or without showing your face. We will be releasing a free YouTube course consisting of a 6-video series, so be sure to check out the links in the description if you're interested. Way number 2. Online marketing agency. Online marketing agency's goal is to manage other businesses' activities. These activities can range from any kind of digital marketing to any type of management and content creation. What's special about it is that you are actually selling an experience to each company you cooperate with. Think of Uber and Airbnb for example. Neither of these companies owns any car, house, or any other physical asset. Instead, they focus on managing these assets owned by third-party subcontractors while providing the best possible experience to both the customers and the subcontractors. Also, expansion-wise, the sky is the limit. Not only you can find customers from all over the world, but you can also operate your online agency remotely. A good tip is to either create a really specialized or a very generalized skill set, depending on the type of online agency you want to create. For example, if you want to create a content creation agency, you should focus your resources on learning better content creation skills as opposed to a management agency where learning many different managing skills is preferable. Way number 3. Online coaching. All of us have skills, or we are just knowledgeable about a certain area or industry. Maybe you know how to play a musical instrument, or you know how to operate a certain software. If you do, then you should seriously consider online coaching. Basically, you coach other people online by sharing your knowledge about the subject they want to learn. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are an excellent starting point as they are already well known to many people and businesses which could be your next potential customers. As your customer pool increases, so do your profits and your reputation, which in turn could lead to a hefty monthly income. An interesting aspect of online coaching is that it is scalable. Let's say you professionally know how to use Microsoft Office apps. You could start from one-to-one coaching, later expanding to group coaching, and with patience, time, and experience, it could lead to making your own online courses and organizing live online events. Before we move on to way number 4, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're getting value. Way number 4. High ticket closer. As a high ticket closer, companies rely on you to close deals like selling high priced products and services with potential customers in their place. Your reward is a commission from the value of each deal you close. In other words, you act as a sales representative for a company. For example, think of a solar cell company that entrusted you to close a deal worth $20,000 with a certain customer. If you successfully close the deal, the company will handsomely reward you, as you not only increased the profits of the company, but also saved a lot of money and resources by outsourcing the whole negotiation process to you. The more you familiarize yourself with closing high-value deals, the fatter your paycheck will be. By increasing your deal closing ratio, the value of the deals you deal with will also increase. This is a great way to make money, especially if you are social and have a natural inclination towards sales. While the last is true, high-ticket closing is worth trying by everyone. Remember that fortune favors the brave. Way number 5. Affiliate marketing. The beauty of side hustles like affiliate marketing is that you can promote already developed products without actually investing any money from the beginning. That means that you don't need to spend time and resources to start your own company or develop your own product. Most companies out there have decent affiliate programs with very good commissions for those who promote their products. Because most of these companies pay every month, affiliate marketing can become a great stream of passive income. A good rule of thumb to remember is to always deal with products or services you believe in or you have already tested whenever you promote them through affiliate marketing. To successfully persuade someone to buy a product, you have to persuade yourself first that the product itself actually works. Remember that your reputation depends on your honesty, and honesty is the best policy. You should always keep in mind that in the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing, adaptability is essential. Stay open to new opportunities, technologies, and strategies. What works today may not work tomorrow, so being flexible and willing to adjust your approach can make a significant difference in your success. Way number 6. Copywriting. The concept of copywriting is that you try to promote products and services through writing text and promotional advertisements. Companies from almost any industry are looking for copywriters to promote their products and increase their sales. Copywriting can be a very attractive side hustle for two reasons. It's perfect for people who enjoy writing, and it's not necessary to make yourself public. People with good copywriting skills are actively sought after by both small and big businesses, as they not only can increase their revenue, but also have the potential to attract new customers from different demographic backgrounds. Imagine you had a car dealership and you wanted to increase your sales. So you come up with the phrase, "We sell new cars, call us at 1555, etc." As you can see, this phrase is a bit plain, meaning it won't effectively attract new customers and maybe it won't affect your sales in any way by itself. Instead, with the help of a copywriter, you got the phrase, "Sick and tired of your old rusty ride? You can buy a new car from $400 per month." Now, not only do you have a more attractive text, but it also includes potential customers who want to replace their old vehicle, can afford to pay in installments, can afford the $400 per month commitment for the long term. So, you can clearly see and feel the difference between the above phrases and their effectiveness. Way number 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has gained a lot of popularity in recent years to the point that it has often been hailed as the king of side hustles. Basically, you sell products without owning any of the product's stock. Instead, you are the middleman between the customers and the seller. While it's a high-risk, high-reward business, a good product selection at the right time is the key to success. Timing is the key. For example, maybe it's a bit too late to sell fidget spinners now. Also, using social media to your advantage, you can reach many new potential customers without even spending a penny. Many successful dropshipping businesses took off by creating videos about their products on apps like TikTok, YouTube, and even Instagram, as optical representation of your products can be a powerful catalyst for those who might consider buying them. Nowadays, it's even easier to start a dropshipping business as there is a vast range of dropshipping wholesalers to choose from. These wholesalers not only provide ready for delivery goods, but also take care of shipping, meaning you don't have to worry about the logistics part of the business at all. From the side hustles we mentioned, we believe that YouTube channels are one of the most profitable and most scalable ways to make money online, so make sure to check out this free 6 video series. As always, make your time valuable, make your own money moves.